Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form attributes in HTML input element. So right now we'll be discussing about the form target attribute. The input form target attribute specifies a name or a keyword that indicates where to display the response that is received after submitting the form. Note, this attribute overrides the target attribute of the form element. The form target attribute works with the following input types: submit and image input types. So I'm going to show you how this form target element works quickly. So let's create a form so we can do that quickly. Now we are having a code right here. Our code is here and we're having a form. Let's open a form. In this our form, I have a previous tutorial that we have discussed about something. I'm going to copy this just to work fast. So let's copy this and use this right here. So I want to use this our form get and form post to do something nicely. So we want to target. We want to use form target now inside it. Let's use form target here and use form target here. So the form target used to have attribute, and now let's say we want to specify self or blank. You can do that. Let's specify blank here for self, and let's specify blank. Put underscore. So let's reload our document. Can you see we are having this form right now? This is form method. Let's change it to form target, because we are talking about form target. We are just trying to use the form target. So now let's use this submit button. Now let's press submit. Can you see our target is on this same page, right? But when we use this, our target is opening another page for us entirely. As you can see, when we click post, it's opening another page for us entirely to submit its form. So, and this our get is on it. So now let's use the same one. Let's change it again. Let's change our target here also to blank, so you can be able to understand what I'm talking about. So the both can send our either post or get. It will send the data. Let's write anwar there. It will send the data to another page. Let's write the data and take the data using code. Now let's submit it and send it. Can you see we are able to take anwar in our another page when we click post, and also when we click post and get. As you can see, when we press our get, the target send us to another page. When we click post, the target send us to another page. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you what this is form target, and we have different type of target we can use. We have discussed about the HTML form target in our previous tutorial. You can watch our previous tutorial clearly, so you can be able to know the type of target you can specify inside your form target. Anwar Akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. But before I go, I want to show you this clearly. So just in case you are thinking I kept something hidden there, I'm not keeping anything hidden there. So you can be able to see what I'm doing. As you can see, this is our first input and input of submit, which is having get, and this is our second input of submit, which is having post. So as you can see, they are all looking fine, and when I save it, let's reload our document and do the same thing. When I press this, it targets another tab. Okay, when you see it open another tab. So in our next tutorial, we are going to discuss about it more better. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day, and to the next tutorial.